This presentation is for Internet and Digital Marketing Communication. It's presented by Lina Maria Vargas, Laura Gutierrez, Jimena Tascon, Paola Castaño, and Felipe Zuluaga. Riverside and Events is based in London, was created with the aim to take advantage of the Thames River and great landscapes in order to offer the most exclusive and unique outdoor and indoor events alongside the river. The company offers a wide variety of services, such as open dinners, meeting, conference, and parties in variety of historical sites and modern spaces. The services offered by the company include a complete event management, catering, entertain events, and production. In the same way, the company offers all types of events, combine line event venue with the use of water using first-class boats. In order to analyze different aspects which might well affect the company, we will use pestle analysis, where political the company have to comply in order to operate, such as zoning of the land, hours of operation, storage materials, transport, hours of operation, noise level, and so on. Economical aspects, London is considered generally to be an expensive city, which might decline the number of events held in the city. Social aspects, London musical and festival heritage also makes this a potentially strong market for attracting visitors to the UK. Technological aspects, there are a higher demand and expectations in terms of technological from service and events organizations. Environmental aspects, local waste issues. During the events, high amount of waste might be produced, affecting the company's image. In order to develop a successfully e-marketing strategic planning, the company has to clearly identify their position, target group, segment, and differentiation in the market. To develop the marketing strategy, the company will focus on online users, which are defined as technographic segments. During the online process, the company also wants to build trust in order to generate more visits, and especially if the company wants the customers to pay online. According to Strauss and Frost 2011, trust building should be an integral part of a website's marketing strategy. For Riverside, these new generations of users are significantly important. They believe not only on online technologies, but also on purchasing online. Hence, the company aim must be reaching those users. Users such as next-gen users or mouse potatoes are fully interactive with new technologies. Therefore, targeting these users through social media, email, or viral marketing will be useful in terms of revenue. By targeting techno-strives or established users, the companies aim to target users with high income, customers who understand the meaning of e-business and believe that e-marketing is a way to make transactions. After defining our possible segment, we would like to set our objectives. Firstly, increasing revenue to 40% on the first 2 years, 2012-2014, with an e-marketing campaign investing in Google Ads, event blogs, event websites, and banners. Secondly, engage new customers and increase database through an e-marketing campaign for the website and social media communities, such as Facebook, blog, and YouTube accounts. And thirdly, increase customer satisfaction by adding online interaction with the company on their websites and becoming Web 2.0 by giving clients possibility to review contents and interact on blogs, social media, like, share, tweet, recommend, etc. There will be presented several strategies to achieve the objectives. Firstly, converting the company website into a portal that contains both Web 2.0 and 3.0 features, and adding a CRM strategy in order to relate directly with customers. Launch a customer relation management to relate, retain, and engage with target marketing customers. Secondly, communicate on several channels such as Facebook, blog, email, and ads. Websites new features for online purchases and bookings. User-friendliness on the website for event planning. And finally, in order to connect with new fans on Facebook and receive feedback from them, the company will provide interesting content, user-friendly application, fun contents with attractive prices, and special offers that might well assure engagement. Key performance indicators. It is relevant to note that by measuring these actions and including their outcomes using key performance indicators will help the company to a better knowledge of the behavior of their customers. According to Stern 2011, KPI will help the company to take technical data and use it with a business-oriented language. Some KPIs that will on the report of the implementations are: for the website, percentage of new and returning visitors, improvements on sales and revenue; for Facebook's new actions fans subscribed, order conversion rate per contest; and for the blog, subscriptions and awareness. CRM, CEM, and CCM strategy. CRM. In order to generate an excellent and thriving long-term relationship with the customers, this strategy must contain process for targeting, acquiring, dealing, facilitating, retaining, and building durable relationship according to the data of their behavior and preferences. CEM. The company will improve customer experience on its websites by implementing online bookings and purchases for all its service, with an online event planning and booking software that contains all the stock of its products and service. CCM is one of the pillars of our relationship with the customers and will be obtaining with Facebook's and blog. In order to achieve their objectives and acquire new followers, Riverside will promote contents every 2 months, initially on Facebook. Pricing and distribution strategies. Riverside will offer a 10% discount of the venues for online customers only. Although event planning prices are dynamic, they vary depending on customer choices. All online bookings will receive a 50 bonus. Low prices strategies can be found on several companies and e-marketing strategies. For instance, Next.co, TheOffice.com, Argos.co, and Ryanair.co, and many others give online discounts. For distribution strategies, Riverside present a direct distribution of their service. There are no agents among the distribution chain. On the contrary, they could act as an agent sometimes because the suppliers are directly booked and paid by them. The company will take advantage of some affiliate suppliers that might be interested in promoting their service on Riverside website. Pay-per-click strategy. By adding some ads on Google and Facebook, the company can improve their traffic, generate awareness, and target a special segment. The cost of it will be measured by the click that the user does. In short, pay-per-click is an advantage in terms of cost and return of the investment that can be used by the company. The advantage of this strategy is that you can track either the response from the consumer as well as your budget. Using tools such as Google Analytics, Facebook Insights, and Google Ads, you can see how effective is your campaign. For Riverside, social media will become a tool to attract, engage, and retain new customers, not only young users as Kotler said. Social media will help the company to understand market and consumers' behavior behind the screen. Also, and according to Handley, will allow the people to interact and share information regarding the company. Therefore, Riverside will create Facebook page and blog, looking to segment and reach market share. The benefit of social network is the participation and interaction that provide internet users. Thanks to social network, you might well connect with people in everyday life that could not be accessed. It's also possible to establish relationships with people from different sectors and countries. In order to evaluate the online campaign, there are different tools such as Google Analytics and Facebook Insights, which might well help the company to realize their website traffic as well as new visitors, repeated visitors, bounce rates, and so on. In short, by using these tools, the company can track their websites. Search engine optimization and search engine marketing. By using tools like Google Insight, the company can identify words which might well suit the business as well as they can see which words are more looked in different countries. As a result, they can implement this into their websites in order to generate more traffic in the United Kingdom. The HTML of Riverside, we can assume that the brand can do improvements on their tags in order to generate more traffic and awareness. Therefore, by having a widely titled tag, the company will have more options to be found in the web. By being more precise as well as general, the company might have more chances to generate awareness, and the consumers will click in the websites if they see in the top of the search options. Budget. Riverside has to consider before establishing the budget. As a team, we recommend the company not to spend more than 22% of the total marketing budget, as it is explained for the small business trend websites. The following chart shows the overall percentage of budget depending on company size. So, on your left, you will see the chart will explain how much you have to spend depending how big is your company. On the bottom, you will see the budget that we established for the company. We believe the following recommendation could be useful for Riverside. Use Google Tools in order to track the website. By using these implements, the company will be able to realize who is using the website, frequency, search option, how many visits, bounce rate, and so on. HTML code must be reevaluated. The title must contain more characters in order to generate more search options. Partnership can generate more traffic into the Riverside website. By having some adverts in other websites will bring clients to Riverside website. The current business is pure offline, and the websites do not have any interaction with the customers. Hence, they have to move from Web 1.0 to Web 2.0. Look the competence. They are doing very well in terms of online procedures, with social media, customizing products and service, and so on. Thank you.